Oh, good morning, boys and girls, friends, enemies, whatever. -1. Chilly. Doctors. That's my rant for the day. Doctors. I got called in for a yearly blood test. Service they kindly offer. And a week later, which was yesterday, got a call back. Please make an appointment to see your doctor. Well, not being cynical, but I know why, so I phoned up. No appointments today, of course. And we have a system whereby we call up, because I'm remote. You have 2 days a week that you can call up and have what they call an open surgery. So I'll call again Monday. I know what it's about. I have high cholesterol. My whole family suffered high cholesterol. Nothing much to worry about. It's just something we live with and just sensible about our diets, etc. But the other thing he will berate me for is my acute alcoholism, and he will give me a very stern lecture on it, despite the fact that I've been teetotal totally for probably best part of my life, apart from the odd occasion when I've been known to have the odd glass, but I haven't had any in the last 9 months. Now, excuse me, we come to the realisation about 3 years ago that because I drink a lot of tea, I'm a teaaholic, it affects the count from the liver. I can't remember the exact terminology. And we said, okay, move on. But every year, despite having records on a computer that even a doctor can read, I get the same lecture. What is it with doctors? On another note, I changed the screen on this. Now when I originally got it, it had this shorty screen and it lets a lot of wind around you. It doesn't do an awful lot. So I bought and put on a touring screen, which you will have seen in other videos. But the touring screen causes an almost unacceptable amount of wind noise. As you'll also notice in my videos, there's a lot of wind noise. So I thought, well, this is getting ridiculous. So I put the shorty back on. Of course, It's freezing this morning, and I've suddenly realised why I like the touring screen. Now I have pretty good earplugs, but I suspect as for vlogging, wind noise is just going to have to be an acceptable part of life. I have tried different microphones, 3 so far, in about 4 different locations. None have been successful. The touring screen causes an awful lot of turbulence just on the top third of the helmet, and this helmet is not the quietest helmet in the world. It just happens to be the most comfortable and the one I like the most. So I suspect when I get home I should be putting the touring screen back on and only do really low speed vlogs. That's it from me today. It's just a brief chunter about doctors not reading their own notes. Now they've got no excuse and they're all printed on computers. Perhaps doctors can't read, I don't know. Perhaps they think they know everything and don't need to read, I really don't know. And wind noise on vlogs. If you've got a noisy helmet and you have any suggestions, oh, please let me know, because it is the bane of my life at the moment. It's the only bike it's ever happened on. It's just got a peculiar shape whereby you can't avoid the wind noise. Enough. Shut up, Alan. You're annoying people. You're boring people. I'm boring me. Have fun. Whatever you do, have fun. And ride safe. I'd like to think you might be around for a few more years yet, just so I can annoy you. Bye.